So, hey everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing fine. I welcome you all to my channel, Doctor and Forex Trader. So, as you all know, we are trading live NAS 100 here, right? And we are trying to pass our $10,000 funded challenge. Our main goal and main motto behind this channel is to provide you the essence of real trading and not provide you fake promises, right? And fake expectations from the market. Each and everything completely raw, completely real. This is the main motto behind this channel, right? So let's start today's live session. We'll be switching us to the screens. Okay, now you will be seeing my screen, and on your screens you can see the NAS 100 chart. Okay, good evening, very good evening. I'm fine. How are you? So as you all know, we start the session with a recap. Okay, let's see what we did yesterday. So yesterday we had made these levels and we were not having any fine setup, so we were not interested in taking any trade. Let me show you the dashboard once. So this is the current profit in the equity, 10,244. This is the target, 7.5%, and we are 2.45% up. Still a lot is remaining. Okay. Okay, so let's start today's session. Let's remove all the previous drawings. Let's switch to 1 day time frame. So now you can see either market is going to make a, if you see this as a low, you may see a trend reversal, or if you not consider this as a low and this as a low, that means market is making another higher low. Okay, so things are not very much clear on the 1 day time frame, what you can say. Right, now let's switch to 4-hour time frame. So on 4-hour you can say it's a bit of trend reversal. This was a previous higher low, now we have a lower low. Okay, so the bias is bearish on the 4-hour time frame currently. Right, now 1-hour time frame, it is clearly bearish as market is making lower lows and lower highs. Okay, now 15 minutes, the most important for us. Why? Because we make the major levels in this time frame. So what I'm seeing is one level as this one. You can see market respected this level a lot of times, and let's see from previous time, do we have any important level or not. Although it's I think this will be an important zone. This, there's no clear cut point right now. Clear? So let's have these two levels for today, and now we'll shift to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so now 5 minutes time frame. Let's see what market is doing. Let's draw one minor level. Okay, I think this is a good level. So one trade is a double top from this level, right? And then a retest and this as a target. Second is we gonna break out this one and a retest, then upside trade. As it's a bearish, let's make it red. And if I say that a double bottom at this level, although it's kind of done here, you can see it's a double bottom kind of thing only, and it was a nice bullish engulfing candle, so one could have taken a nice trade. A 1:2 3 trade would have been formed very nicely, right? Or one more thing is, if you consider this as a level, okay, it may again go for a retest and make a double top and then fall down. It's also possible. There are chances of trap at this point, but it is possible. Okay. So right now things are not pretty much clear. One thing which can happen is it's a breakout of this level and a retest, then a downside move. This is also possible. Okay. So let's just wait and watch for the perfect move if we are able to capture any or not. Not Things are not pretty much clear today. So test match is going on and Virat Kohli is playing right now. And one little thing is also possible. As it was a double bottom, it may be a retest and a shoot up also. But for it, I need a bullish engulfing candle at this point, right? So I have told you multiple scenarios. Let's see, will we be able to get any trade today or not? If you have any doubts, you want to ask anything, you are free to ask. You can ask whatever you want. Gone. So is is my voice now audible? I'm saying that it had already formed a double bottom here, right? So if it would have gone up, it would be now only, right? It won't have been come again. Still, I'm saying if this is a double bottom and if this present candle forms a green bullish engulfing candle, we may look for a buy position because it's a double bottom and then a retest going on. So we may have a nice upside trade also, right? Otherwise, I'm not very much interested in buying. Still, I said if we get a double bottom again here or an inverse head and shoulder, then we may look for a buy trade. But currently, not much interested. So if this present red candle comes out to be a green, or a next candle comes out to be a green candle, then we may look for a buy trade. Keep sitting idly. Don't take any rubbish or foolish trade until and unless your setup works, right? Because market can trap you anytime. So is anyone using that divergent scalping strategy? That's why I'm not looking to buy at this level. And trend is also na very much bearish right now. So here it may be a manipulated level also. It may rise, it may fall, not pretty clear. So until unless you have 100% confirmation, stay away from market. Although it's a nice sell trade also right now. There's something called as N pattern and it is happening this time. But the same thing, 100% not surety, stay away. There are quite high chances that it is a liquidation sweep simple from left side, and just now after this market may shoot up and it may fall down also. So both the possibilities are highly possible. You can't say anything with good clarity right now. So let's wait a little bit more. So if you see this double bottom retest thing is already failed, right? It's not valid anymore. So our buying scenario right now is simple, a double bottom again here, otherwise not. By just a single bullish engulfing candle, I will not open a buy position because there are high chances like this thing happen. People would have open position and then straight up down, right? So that thing can happen here also. So until and unless you have a good confirmation, don't go for the trade. Don't develop any FOMO that you have not traded any yesterday or this or that. You are having less trades. No. One good trade will cover losses of many trades, right? So try to get that good trade for yourself, even if it comes after waiting for few days. There's no issue in that, not even a single percent, right? As I have always told you, that never think that one trade will change everything. No. If you lose one trade or if you win one trade, nothing happens, right? Things happen with consistency. Yeah, one trade can destroy you if you have done something extremely blunder. But if you are a disciplined trader, One trade can't break you and one trade can't make you. Okay? So never ever give a single trade an overhype that this is the trade I wanted or this or that. No. Next day, new opportunities will be knocking your door. So don't think that this is the last trade for you. So, like, suppose if this candle closes like this, still I'm not interested because I'm feeling manipulation right now. It's not that I will be 100% right. I may be wrong. Market may shoot up from here. But when there is a maybe in my thinking, right? When I am myself not 100% sure, how can market react according to me? First of all, I have to be 100% sure for my analysis. Then after that anything happens, then it's not your mistake. It's simply a market's lesson which you learn and move. That's it. But if right now I'll be taking an entry, I'll be not doing justice with me because I'm not myself 100% sure for this trade. So when you are yourself not 100% sure, then just stay away. Because I highly feel that it may shoot down from here. It's not that for sure it will happen, but it can happen. And it may be one thing else also, that it may be a simple starting of the uptrend that is making another higher high, right? It is possible that now market start moves upside. So everything is possible. Our job is to do according to your strategy and according to your analysis. If this point at same point now I get a double bottom, then I am interested for sure. But right now I am not interested. So are you looking at the manipulation? See, I told you that this is a manipulated kind of level. Anything is possible still also, but it's kindly highly risky trade, not a 100% confident trade like we were taking earlier. Good evening, my friend. How are you? So missed the session yesterday. 'Okay, great. Yesterday was just simply waiting, patience. That's it. 25. NAS 100 is same like XAU USD. Yes. In my opinion, everyone. One thing I'll tell you, which I have, experienced. I have learned from my experience. Although I experienced that when I was trading FTSE, but that works, really a good number of times. That whenever you feel that you are having a manipulated kind of level or anything, always go with the third confirmation. Okay, like when you get a third confirmation, In third confirmation, what I mean to say is, suppose this was a level we were thinking that we can buy, okay, and this green candle was an engulfing candle, so this was a signal of buy. So this is a first. Now after this, one more candle happens like this, and it's a bullish engulfing, so that is second. And now one more happens, third, and you again get a third bullish engulfing candle, right? Then you can open a buy position. You have highly eliminated the chances of manipulation, right? Because most of the time manipulation happens in between the second and third confirmation, if it has to happen. It's a very useful advice. Use in your trading, you will feel, yeah, that I was saying right, because I have felt that many times. Bro, why you said that SMC makes market complex? I'm not saying that SMC makes market complex. I didn't said that. I said I don't want to make my things complex, right? Tell me one thing. Is anything simple than this support resistance? Just tell me in one word, yes or no. Is anything simple than these horizontal lines? I don't think that anything is simple than these. No indicator, nothing. Because you don't require anything, you just require a good skill, that's it, to interpret the market. So this is the answer, simple. When you have confidence and you are profitable in simple things, then why to move to complicated things? I have already told umpty number of times that trading is completely opposite to natural human mind. Really, it is true. Believe me on that. See, are you seeing it? So all the things which are fitted outside never fits in the trading world, right? Just set this thing in your mind. Your trading will become a lot easier. I'll tell you something very interesting today. In fact, I'll post it in the Instagram quote today in the evening. And that can be a life changing statement for you people. I have used that myself and it's really great. Just see the manipulation. Are you seeing it? How beautifully it would have taken our stop losses to keep us out of the market, right? Now, one more thing. So, this was the first confirmation, and now, if this candle closes like this, it's a second confirmation. If it closes, then also we will not be buying. And then, if we get the same opportunity third time, then we will look for a buying position. Just see how beautifully it is trapping both buyers and sellers. Just observe this, how well manipulated level this is. And you know what are the manipulated levels? Anyone knows what is the definition? That why, how can you say that this level can be manipulated? Just tell me. I'm asking you a question. How can you say any XYZ level is manipulated? Why? Like I was already able to predict before these candle that this level can be manipulated. Can you tell me the reason behind that? Just see how beautifully it is trapping both buyers and sellers. It is making people, tempting them to buy again and again and sell again and again and hitting their stop losses. Yeah, it's kind of, you're right, but I wanted a much simpler definition than this. Try again. then I'll tell my answer. Let me tell you. The level which is visible to everyone will be a manipulated level. I'll repeat it. The level which is visible to everyone will be a manipulated level. Why? Because everyone will be looking to trade at that level, right? Everyone will be keeping eye on that level. Just see, just look how it is manipulating again and again. Those who are buying, those who are selling, market is keeping everyone out because it is ready to make another big move on any one side. When such kind of heavy manipulation happens, just be ready that market is preparing for another big move. And what I think is it may be another formation of a higher high on daily time frame. It's quite possible. Now just see if this green candle closes like this. It is my second confirmation, and as it is a manipulated level, I will wait for a third confirmation, right? I won't buy after this candle. I'm very clear. Even if I miss this move, no worries, but I will not buy after this level. See, just look at this. Now we have two confirmations on buy side, right? You can see, let me show you. This is one bullish engulfing candle, then this is another bullish engulfing candle, and now third. If third again forms anywhere, then I will be interested. I'm saying I will be interested, not sure. That time will tell. And if it now moves straight up, then what I will do is, then I will be interested in a simple retracement and a green candle to buy. Getting it? It is quite possible that it is again trapping the sellers here, and now it may shoot down also. It is quite possible. Everything is possible in this market. So whenever you see a level which is, you know, highly visible, that when you open the chart you can see it, there are very high chances that this level can be manipulated. And when you have a manipulated level, trade cautiously. If, let me tell you one more thing, if this candle now closes red, listen to me very carefully. If this candle now closes red below this, it will be a second confirmation for a down trade also. Getting it? First was breakout of this level, second is again an bearish engulfing. So third confirmation will decide whether we will be going up or down. It is possible that after third also we may have stop loss. It is possible. But we will be on a very lower risk side than those people who would have entered at this candle. So if this red candle closes red, then it will be a simple 50-50 game. Whichever side confirmation you are getting next, enter that. You may get a nice trade. Absolutely. It traps the retail traders, brother. The simple thing. A person used to say, I have told before also, Dr. David Paul, if you haven't listened to him, you should listen. There are many seminars of him on YouTube, and he is a really great trader. Although he has passed away few months back, but his concepts, his things which he used to tell were amazing. He always used to say what? That whenever you are taking a trade, place your entry order where you are going to place your stop loss. And that hit me very hard. And then see how many times your order is triggered. There will be a very few times when you will miss a trade, otherwise, every time your stop loss will be triggered. So, our confirmation is waiting till now. Why? I'll not say this as a second bullish confirmation, sorry, third, because it's going straight up and up. If we have a once more retest, a red candle, then a next green candle, it would be a bullish confirmation, not this one, right? Yes, we are retailer, except the big players, the banks, everyone is retailer. It is a trillions of dollar market. And these even a millionaire is also a retailer. Which one? I am amazed to see this manipulation. This is something next level. Just see the wicks on both sides. Which sentence you want me to repeat, brother? I think it has decided the way, but we were not having any third confirmation, so we are still not interested in anything. Okay, I told you I am interested only if something like this happens. Clear? Then I may think of buying, but right now, not interested. That I'll post in today's Instagram quote in the night. BTC, buy the dips. Market has started the uptrend. In crypto, it is simple when you have a bull run. Simple it is buy the dips. Charts shows us that now we are ready to explode. But yeah, crypto is always unpredictable. Still, let me show you something. Be ready to see something which I am going to show you right now. Just tell me which is this pattern till now here, which I have always taught you, that buyers and sellers. Just look at this, the pressures of buyers and sellers, then how beautifully it broke out. Then it is came for a liquidation sweep. No, 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 you are wrong, brother. And now it is ready for a very nice upside move. Those who know. As per me, Bitcoin was ready for a bull run, a very nice bull run. Always remember one thing that Warren Buffett said, Be greedy when everyone is fearful, and be fearful when everyone is greedy. So, let me give you a wisdom advice today. Right now, no one is talking about crypto. It is slowly, underground increasing, right? It will keep on increasing. When the market will start making higher highs, it will explode. Then again, people will start talking of it, right? And then people will start entering when at the top, right? So just remember, when other people around you start talking about the things, it is ready for your next correction. But when no one is talking about it, at present, what I can sense is no one is interested in crypto. You will not see any news, you won't see any, Instagram things regarding crypto like you were seeing in 2020. Everyone here and there was speaking about crypto this, crypto that. So, this is a simple concept. Those people like me who were in touch with crypto in this past 2 3 years, that you can say a crypto winter, knows very well how it is increasing, how it is forming the patterns, and what is it doing, and when it will be ready for another bull run. Okay, so the charts are saying the time has come, and the people's conception is also saying, because everyone right now is fearful to enter in crypto. No one is interested in buying it. A month back was the best time to buy crypto, and I was constantly investing in it from past 2 to 3 years. Indian government may ban Binance, but I hope you know that it has legalized crypto. I know it has imposed the tax of 30%, but still, imposing the tax means that making the thing legal. Okay, and the returns which it can give you, the potential it has, 30% is nothing in front of that. Overnight, you can get 100x. I have, literally saw things from my eyes. Coins go from 1 to 400 in just few days, in overnight. I have saw Wazirex token grow from 4 rupees to 400 in just one night. So right now I am interested in this one thing only. Okay, not interested in any other setup, as it is a very manipulative right now. If this thing happens, that there's a retracement anywhere near here and then a bullish engulfing candle, then I am interested, otherwise not. And not interested in any else setup. Absolutely. No doubt, I believe it. Yes, I told in few previous sessions that my house is currently where I am living. I am living out of my town, the main hometown. It is nearby airport. That's why airplane sounds keep coming. It seems to me that now a down move will come and we'll go downside, but I have a little doubt. That's why I'm not taking any trade. Because it's a clear cut, you can say a double top, and that too a little more effective. Why? Because the same thing, the seller and buyer concept, it is a little downside. That means sellers are more powerful. So the very high chances that now market shoots downside. But as I said, I'm not 100% confident, so I'm staying away. So if this red candle closes below this level, then we may look for a sell trade. Clear? Not before that. Keep our MT5 account ready. So I am saying if this candle closes below these previous candle, I'll open a sell position with 0.12 lot. Okay. Only and only if this closes below this, otherwise not. And if after this next candle is a green, then we will be for buying side, because what happened is I was saying a retracement, right? So both the options are valid. I think it depends on the next candle. And if this one closes, then I'll open straight away. So if this red candle is closing below, I'll open the trade for sell side. I'm pretty confident for this sell side trade. Let's see if market supports us or not. And confident for buy also, and I'm telling why, because it will be the third confirmation, be it sell, be it buy, both will be the third confirmation, so I will be taking the trade. Either this candle closes above this or below this, not anywhere in between this. Then I am not interested. Only and only interested if it is closing above or below, nothing else. Lot size I'll be using 0.12 and I'll open the position. Let's just keep our orders ready. There's a little disturbance in the MT5 in laptop. I'll use my cell phone, okay, to open the position. If it has open, yeah, okay, so we have filled the value. Okay, so I'm opening the buy position. Once the candle closes, I'll open it. Okay, I'm opening. So I have opened this by 0.12 lot. Clear? I have used my cell phone to open this position. Don't think that how did it open automatically. Let's place the stop loss value in the MT5. There's some issue in the MT5 and the laptop. I'm using my cell phone to place the order, okay? Market is highly manipulated, so there's a requirement to place the order. It's 16415. So I have placed the stop loss here. You can see this point, right? So our trade is running, okay? This was anywhere our entry point. Important region means I didn't get you. What are you trying to say? Yeah, our job is to follow the rules. We have made the rules. Our third confirmation, a proper retest, a proper engulfing candle. Only then we have take the entry, right? After that, even if it hits the stop loss, no worries. In my mind, I should not have any regret that I have taken any, foolish trade. No, I have taken a well designed trade, a well conceptual trade. Okay, even if it is near the resistance or anything, your concepts, your things were fallen in place, so you have took the trade. That's it. It's not our job to think like this. Our job is to simply do what you are seeing and what you have designed. I told you previously only that if something happens like this, there's a retest, there's an engulfing candle, then I'll look and it will be our third confirmation also, right? So this was our third confirmation also. After this also, if loss happens, then it's not your fault, because we were waiting for that 100% confirmation. We have not take the trade. So please open crypto channel you opened, crypto chart you opened. Yeah, wait. Yeah, few cryptos you can trade, but not in Indian markets. It's not currently available. It's a little pending right now, but I think it will hit the stop loss. Yeah, very nice. So we are back at just 1.17% profit, right? We have one, two, three, four losing days in a row. Good. And now I think market is ready for a very nice down move. Because what happened is, after this third confirmation, the third confirmation for bearish candle was also there, right? It was a proper bearish engulfing candle, so it may shoot down. Yeah, it was high manipulation, but now it is ready to go further down, a very heavy down move. So we are back at just 1.28%. Feeling sad, feeling disregarded, or anything? No, don't feel if you are. Because I have experienced these things umpty number of times in past. These things keep on happening and will happen in future also. Okay. So someone was asking something about crypto chart. Let's see. Yes, what was your question? Please ask. Yes, I was saying, if you are not getting it, watch previous session how I explained the things, then you will get it. Okay, so let's close this session. That was a nice session. We suffered a 1.2% loss. No worries, we'll be back tomorrow stronger. So I have shown you the dashboard. If anyone is interested, he or she can take now a sell trade, because now market is ready for a very heavy down move for sure. Okay, so let's close this session. We'll meet you tomorrow again. Bye bye. Take care. Your host, your friend, Dr.